Hello everyone, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum guide. In Scrum, a well-written user story ensures clarity, alignment, and better delivery, but vague stories lead to confusion, delays, and rework. In this video, let's learn how to write effective and precise user stories that teams can actually deliver. A good user story follows a simple and proven format. As a user role, I want a feature or action so that I get a benefit or a value. This structure keeps the focus on who needs something, what they need, and why it matters. For example, as a customer, I want to track my order so that I know when it will arrive. Notice how the value is clearly stated here. That final part is what drives priorities and decisions. To make stories effective, use the invest principle as a quick quality check. Stories should be independent so they do not block each other. They should be negotiable, meaning they invite discussions, not act like fixed contracts. They must be valuable, delivering real benefits. They should be estimable so the team can size them. They must be small enough to fit in a sprint. And finally, they should be testable with clear pass or fail outcomes. Precision comes from clear acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria define when a story is considered done. They remove ambiguity and guide both development and testing. For our order tracking story, this could mean the user can enter a tracking number, the system shows delivery status, and an error appears for invalid numbers. There are a few common mistakes to avoid. Do not write technical tasks as user stories. Avoid vague requirements with unclear outcomes. And avoid stories that are too large. If a story feels big, split it into smaller, manageable pieces. To summarize, an effective user story focuses on user value, follows a standard format, meets invest criteria, and includes clear acceptance criteria. Thank you for watching. I hope this video cleared some doubts around how to create a user story.